This is part 2, exploring the remote Greenwater Valley mining district in Death Valley. Get ready for some crazy views, a little hiking, some delicious food, and a real exciting trail. Here's some scenes from the last Death Valley episode. So jump in, let's go. For a sideshow, I'm so surprised. Can't stop smiling. 20 Mule Team Trail. Look at those views, folks. From grays to tans to chocolate browns to whatever those mountains are way in the back. Incredible. Oh, that sandstone, right? I love it. Woohoo! That was crazy at the end. Look at this. Oh, it's not an adventure unless, there you go. Yeah, we're on another one. Greenwater Valley. Hey everyone, we're back on another adventure. This is part 2, exploring the remote Greenwater Valley mining district in Death Valley. Get ready for some crazy views, a little hiking, delicious food, and a real exciting trail. So jump in, let's go. Come on, this looks pretty good. This looks damn good. Let's see what we can find. We got some chula cactus. Those things are nasty. Pretty cool. I love going to new places like this. Don't know what to expect. Crossroads, since it's getting late, I'm gonna head that way because that looks like it's just going to drop us out of the valley. I think it's only like 32 miles, so it's not a very long valley. Let's go up this way. Sand. There we go. We'll go into first gear instead of second. This stuff looking good. I've noticed the furthest I go up towards these mountains, the harder it's getting. It's a little bit more washed out. So it's really changed very quickly. Do I have enough room? I'll stay right here. Looks pretty good. We're gonna go for the pinstripes. Did you see that? Why? One-handed? Oh, wow. That was a fun one. Woo. What is that? Could be a spring. Road's getting good, folks. You gotta choose your lines. I guess we have something to look at, even though it looks, oh, it could be a mine, because see we got stuff rattling around in here. We got another road. Someone just turned right in here. I guess that works. How much more of this I could do, folks. Woo. All right, not as nice. This one looked less traveled. I went with the easy one. I just want to find camp, and which way do we go? Is this one? Oh, that's gnarly. Forget that. Oh, there's a mine right there. Oh, that's that one we're looking at. Oh, weird angles off the cliff stuff. Okay, with that sun in my face. Oh, hopefully we can camp up here, right? Oh, we'll be here for a week. Oh yeah, this is the spot. What? Oh my lordy. We're home. Oh, we got some snow. What a view. Look at that. The trail continues. That was bad. From now on, I have to walk that. Something right here. That's the mine we seen coming up. It looks like it's probably a stamp mill. Trust me, I'm a rookie. I don't know nothing. I can see the road here. It's washed out. And something over there bolted into the ground. I don't like walking through that. And I'm sure not too many people come explore this site. Oh, these timbers, folks. I didn't trip you. Wasn't me. Oh, this is tailings here. It is quiet here. It's quiet, quiet, quiet. Wow. Oh, yeah. Well, this went up. We just went the long way. This is the same thing. We took the easy route. My eyes are peeled for afternoon sun gazers. Little easy, but you know, road was rough. Location is beautiful. Greenwater Valley. I know the mining district up here had no water. I know the town of Green Valley was like 5 different camps and they named it Green Valley. There's no buildings left. Yeah, we'll go for a coffee walk in the AM. That's some valleys here. Look at there, what's that? I'm blind and I see that from here. Look it up there. I think we're up for some chicken fajitas or something good. Or I put my shoes on. This thing was a mess last time we used it. I hit the burner, I say it all the time. Then turn it. That's so it heats up. Since it's not so windy. Get that on there. Look at that. The Heinekens, they make a pretty good non-alcoholic beer. Eating and talking and having fun. Because we don't have onions cut. Oh, you see that? All the onion pepper blew out. Garlic, half of it'll blow out. Oh, it's a little heavier. 2 hands. You gonna help me? Okay, hang in there. You got it? Did you see it? Wow. Yeah, you're right up in there. Now, the cilantro, the pepper, that pepper. I had some chips. Here we go, ready? A little hot. Well, we're going for it. Wipe your hands, wipe your face, throw it in the washing machine when you get home. There we go, a little quick wipe. Bam! Hot. Got the pineapple in there. There it goes, folks. See you tomorrow. Look at that. It ain't a taco unless you got tapatio. There we go. The other one that I just did slipped right in my mouth. I wanted to plate it for you, but I guess it was in a hurry. Well, that was a wonderful day. Dante's Peak, I don't know how much of that's gonna turn out. There's so many people there. We hit the trail, a little bit of washboard road up to the trail head, and then maybe 5 or 6 miles to where we're at now. It wasn't that big of a trail, but we ate tacos, right? It always helps when a sunset has clouds. Well, I got coffee ready. Dishes are all done. Good night, folks. It's coffee time. Dusty, smoky day. I'm guessing it's from all the wind, right? I'm beat up, folks. I wanted to see the sunrise, 20 minutes before. I slept in again. What kind of storyteller am I? I think it's best if we just go for a walk. See that hole? I don't know if it's... I walked over here and didn't even see. There's a little side shaft here. Yeah, so chipping away at this vein. And you don't know, there could be, 18 inches down. Nice sliver of gold. It's old stovepipe. Wake up, little snake. Oh, look at that valley. Artifacts? I would say no. Sort of. But if it was something built, it would mean a little bit more to me. Little coyote trail right here. That's pretty cool. Warm up those legs for the day ahead. Some sort of bracket. Big rock. Listen to how deep it is. Cracks me up when people do that. All right, we're back. Oh. Yeah, before you drive, I gotta walk this. It looks good. I just don't know how tall this center section is. So far it looks good. At least this hike, I'll be able to cruise back to the bus. A little low on this side. Look at that. It's pretty steep. Pretty deep rut. Another mine. Oh, I see it. See timbers. Oh, this is cool. Wow. That thing looks organized. They probably just took what was built to the apparatus. Looks like when they knocked it down, they just threw it down the shaft. There's the reason why it's called green water. The water sits in this stuff. Loads of copper in that. Good looking ore. A little rough for the bus. If it was in my backyard, or in my area, I'd go for that in a minute. Let's see what's over this. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. It's like straight up. Tell people have been here. Or is that the coyote tracks coming up here? Oh. Puppy! All right, let's go. Oh, just a prospect hole. I don't know what I'm talking about. I didn't even know the contraption that sits on top of a shaft. So don't take any advice from me. Oh. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm wearing a beanie and I'm getting hot. Very doable. But is it something you'd want to do? No. Weird angles, but the angle puts the weight of my bus on this side. So I'd have to keep momentum, get past this. And if I'm slowing down because of this hill, as soon as I spin, see a couple people did. I have to go up on this a little bit. And this is what I was walking for. Death Valley, folks. Death Valley. It's a little south of Badwater Basin right there. Those mountains, that's the Warm Springs goes up in between those two. I'm gonna go look at those. It's breezy up here. It's cool. It's probably 64. I don't think you're allowed to burn, and they even have restrictions on putting those propane, like army cans down, ammo cans. There we go. You got the bus. Couple valleys that way. Couple valleys that way. We're back. Made it back to camp. See, now that trail would be so worth it. Amazing. I was trying to make it to those other mines on the side of the mountain that I slid down the shell. Took me out. Well, yeah, I showered. This and a change of underwear. Frick, dude, you're ready for another week. All right, folks, we're doing breakfast today. This is gonna be a masterpiece. I always put my hand in this. It's not a community sack, it's Larry's. Look at that. Yeah, I brought out the big almond milk. I don't even think they call it milk anymore. Oh, one escaped. I'll be right back. Refrigerator's at 33 degrees. 33. I still had my chicken was still a little frosty. Not frozen all the way, but frosty. So I like that. Oh. Trash, stuff that blows away. Well, anyways, I slid down the hill. It was pretty fun. That's all you do. You see me eating and talking. That was a good hike. My lordy. To see, you could see this way forever, and you had an overlook of Death Valley. That would be a great campsite. You could spend a month out here just hitting all these little mines. Everyone has the debris of the wood. I think those things are called head frames. I'm guessing. I have no reception. Oh, and by the way, my phone went crazy up on top. Reception. So you could camp up there and have internet. That's pretty amazing. How long of a hike we went on, but we went on a pretty good one. It was more steep than it was a hike. Pretty fun, beautiful. No snakes over here. I don't know if they did a sweep to make this more a friendly area, because little tiny fly. A breakfast with Larry segment. Oh, I should post this one up first. I'm like, dude, you look like a wreck. What happened? Just catching the rays, bro. Just catching the rays. I'm guessing we're creeping up to about 20 hours here. I hope you enjoyed breakfast with Larry. Oh yeah, we're all right. That was a great campsite. We continue our journey. What's next, you ask? Oh, let me tell you. I don't even know. But all I can say is weird angles, folks. Oh yeah, that is just wacky. That is the weirdest feeling. Unhuman. Like, you lean too far. The only thing that's gonna happen now is you're gonna fall. That's that feeling. That was a beautiful spot. I did see 2 cars maybe 5 minutes ago rolling down in the valley. And I thought that was a great spot. That one up top. Ooh, it's for a bus. That's a 10. That's a perfect spot. Wow, bump. Yeah, I'll stay with you till the road, or till I'm off this mountain. There's mines everywhere. They're stashed. If you see a little road going somewhere, it's going to a mine. And just think, there's like a bunch of these little roads everywhere up here. Oh, look at this, folks. Drop off here. Take the easy way through the creosote bushes. Cut way over here. Another wheel off the ground. Oh, wow. All for the views. Maybe in the fall we'll come back and just spend the whole time here. The angles are pretty crazy. So we'll go over here, reduce that. People struggle coming up this. Oh, well, what do we got here? Yeah, pretty good. That's a good little ride along. Oh, get the views, and you get the terrain, and you get the bouncing. Oh, we have to drop down. Yeah. Wow. Little drop-offs, little rock going across at an angle, and then sand on the other side just gets washed out a little bit. This is where I had to go through that bush. Took one for the team. This is where you can see where people turn around. Starts getting a little nasty, and they're like, "No." In their rental car. little can dump. We're on our way out, folks. On to the next adventure.